Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a few very simple ways to connect audios, videos in your timeline like a pro in Final Cut Pro 10 of course. So as you can see, you have 3 clips here and one is overlapping 2 of them. So yep, if you want to change the position of this clip and the clip below, for example, you want to change the third clip to bring it over to the front, you can't just simply drag it over like this, because this one is not connected to this clip, it's connected to this one, it's bundled, so it's very difficult to move around and you can't really just change it like this either. So how to solve this? Very simple. Press the grave accent key and just drag this clip over like this, and by pressing the grave accent key, it just changes the link. It just disconnect this link, and the third or the first clip just substitute one another at the exact location that you want it to be. Alternatively, there's another cool way to actually adjust all these clips to avoid moving around too much, and it's very simple. You just select a random clip, for example the third clip, just drag it over and bam, you see there's a thing below this, and then you can drag this clip above like this, and what it does is just attach all the clips to a same primary storyline, and you can shift around easily and it doesn't really affect much. So yep, it's very easy to edit everything and connect everything together. But you do realize that if you want to put this clip in between of these 2 clips, is not going to automatically, rearrange the sequence. So yep, choose wisely whichever option is more convenient and efficient for you for editing and connecting all the videos. But do remember that this gray thing is actually the primary storyline, so you can't actually delete this because everything will be gone. If you want to remove this gray area, the easiest way is just to cut this and bring the clip down. Yeah, that's the easiest, and you don't have to remember any shortcuts or hotkeys to do this arrangement. And let's move on to the third trick. So as you can see, the link is over here, and if you want to cut this at this moment, and you realize that if you want to delete the part before the second part, it just automatically delete the video above. So if you want to avoid this problem and still make this clip stays at the exact moment of this starting part, it's very simple. You just press Command and Option and you just click it over here, and you've realized that the link is over here, so once you delete the first part, it's not going to affect much. Let's try again. So press Option and Command and click at the exact moment you want it to link at the primary storyline's clip, and after that you can simply just do anything you want with the clip in front. Yep, that's all you need to do. Very simple. So as you can see that the audio is often linked to the first clip or whichever clip it's being brought under, for example the second clip, and it's kind of annoying because if you want to just delete the first clip or the clip that is already connected to, it's going to delete everything. And sometimes when you want to change the time and cut away some parts like that, the audio is not going to stay in the original position that you want it to be. So very easy to solve this problem. You can just create a anchor of this audio, so you can arrange all the videos on it to create gray slacks like just now, and everything on this primary storyline. Yeah, you can't actually just detach like this. You have to hold the gray accent key and drag this clip above, and once you've done this, you can do whatever arrangement you need, and this thing would stay here, and yep, all is solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this, and please remember to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.